My name is Danny Forster, and this is Build It Bigger.
As a designer, I've spent years investigating incredible feats of engineering. And right now, I'm taking you to one of Europe's largest construction projects.
Oh.
In Belgrade, Serbia, the $500 million Sava River Bridge, held up by just one tower, 650 feet tall, creating the largest span of its kind ever attempted.
I mean, this is a complicated bridge.
Yes, it is, definitely.
One of the city's tallest structures, holding one of the widest road decks ever built, with 80 of the world's longest stay cables made from 1,000 miles of steel. 300 workers from around the globe handcrafting one of the biggest projects in this country's history.
That was amazing. Well, if the height won't kill you, maybe the chainsaw will.